Good evening and welcome in to the Mystic Lotus and Dragonflies awesome masterclasses. Our fabulous expert today is a well-known Jyotish Rishi. She combines her extensive knowledge on many aspects of Vedic sciences such as astrology, Vastu, and numerology to provide a comprehensive study material, including various remedies and solutions. She's here tonight to provide the knowledge of yantras, which can be used as amulets. What is a yantra? How is it made? How does it help us? Can we really make our own? To answer this and much more, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for and join me in giving a warm Mystic Lotus welcome to the lady famous for making complex subjects very simple. Upma Srivastava. Hi, Upma ji, welcome in.
Thank you. Thank you, Neelu, for a very good, very awesome introduction. I'm touched.
Thank you.
Yes.
And Upmaji, let's just go straight into this. It's in fact like I've thrown four questions out in your direction. I'll just start with the first, which everybody would also want to know. What is a yantra?
Yes. So, to know the yantra, first I want to tell you how the universe came into existence. Because first, if we understand how the universe came in existence, then it will be very easy to understand what is yantra. So, we all know the universe came into existence with the sound and vibration of Om. Like there was everywhere water, then from these water, it slowed down, and with the chanting of Om, the sounds, vibrations, the universe came into existence. And if you see Om, the symbol Om in itself has all the numbers. And from these numbers, you can make all the figures like triangle, circle, semicircle. So all these came into existence from Om. Now, because of these higher vibrations, if we combine them with some numbers, or if we just merge the some geometrical shape with numbers, it becomes yantra. And yantra is a one thing which you can use for fulfilling your any wish. It could be your job, relationship, anything. Because like I'm a very greedy. I want job, I want money, I want good relationship, I want my daughter should get good scores in her exams, I want harmony in home. So I just thought, let's I should explore the yantras. And yantras are a part of astrology. So it is nothing special but a part of remedial astrology. But today we are going to learn about only remedy part, because it is the one thing I thought everyone should get the benefit of it. Okay.
Right.
So today I will tell you about this. Now, there are the two types of yantras. First one are geometrical shape yantras, like you can see at my back, that is the Shri Yantra. Shri Yantra is a very auspicious yantra. Many might be knowing about this yantra, but we cannot create it, because geometrical shape yantras are the yantras in which if you miss a centimeter, then it will not give you the expected result. But the number based yantras, those yantras are very simple, and there are no rules. Like if you had made any, like most of the participants might be knowing, we had sent 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 some yantras in the group. So if you are missing some lines there, means like if it should be like 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, if you are missing something up and down, it's fine, because their importance is for only numbers, not from the particular how much distance it should be. So that's why number based yantras are very simple to make it and to use it. Okay. So we will
Fabulous.
start. Yeah. So
Yeah.
There are anyone who is greedy like me?
I also want everything. I can see Vandana putting her hand up, and I'm checking the group if anybody is writing that in there. And I can also see you guys. Asha's put her hand up. Neelima's put hi Neelima. Neelima's put her hand up.
So,
Has put Molly's put in the group. Kailash has put Lakshya. Everybody's yes. All want
okay.
everything.
So everyone is like me. So I will share all the yantras, maximum yantras, whatever we can use here, and then we can take further. Okay. So,
Fantastic.
share, so what is the first thing which everyone wants to have?
I think post lockdown, jobs and money. Yeah, if everybody okay, there's people who all said yes, said me too. Some and Himani said me seven. Okay, and Himani says she wants peace. Sushil says health and money. Dr. Renu says health. Bhavna says good health. Dr. Renu again says money. Neeta says financial security. So happiness says Vandana. Deepika says relationship. Vandana says money, job, relationship, healing, energy. Vandana, yes, everything. Correct. Absolutely. So put all the names. Deepika
Thank
says
you.
yes. Bhavana says love. Interesting. QC says government job and relationship. This is a very specific thing. Government job. Okay. Uh,
Okay, so
Tejas says
please unmute her.
okay, all right. I need to know who QC is. I need to know your full name, or if the team knows the person's full name, if we could get them on, because I'm not able. Yeah, I can't see a QC. So
Okay.
QC,
And
would you let us know what your full name is? Oh, Chandni. Okay, got it. Hang on, Chandni. There you are. Okay, I have two Chandnis. I have a Chandni who's unmuted. Hi, Chandni. Can you come on video? Chandni? Okay, you've.
it's okay. So anyone who has written about job, we can talk to them.
Yes.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello, Chandni.
Hi.
Hi. So you want a government job?
Yeah, that is something I want. So that's why I'm very specific about it. That government job is the one thing, and I'm trying it from a long time, and somehow I missed it by one number or something like that. So it's not taking toll on me.
Okay. So for government job, like in a group, there is a yantra given for a job that you can make it, and also do some worship related to Lord Sun. When you will combine these two things, it will become easy for you to get the government job.
Okay.
Okay.
I worship Lord's Son, and when I find this yantra thing, I actually get that excitement. Okay, let's try this one as well. Maybe something
Yes,
happen.
yes. And if you
So
will join the workshop, you will come to know about the yantra of sun. So when you will combine the yantra of sun and the yantra of job, the specific purpose will get fulfilled.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Sometime I will explain you about that job
Yeah,
yantra too.
sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank
The picture of the job yantra has been put in on the group. Upmaji will take us through it and explain to Upmaji. Might as well just do this once because the responses coming in on what people want. There's health, wealth, peace. There's start a great business. Job abroad for my son says Tejal. Himani says marriage. Vani says protection for children abroad plus a job, visa. Bhavna wants a trip to the Andaman soon. Bhavna, you take
Okay.
all of us with you. Okay. Upmaji, we'll have to get her travel yantra done and we'll all make it together. So
Sure.
this business job continuously coming up, Upmaji. Should we just do the job yantra once and then take
Yes.
on a few more?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Huh? And I will explain how to make the job yantra too.
Yes.
Okay.
And while this is opening up, Upmaji, I have to say, first of all, when you said that, from Om itself, all the shapes come out.
Yes.
I actually didn't know that. So, fresh piece of information. And secondly, when you started talking about the yantras, and then I was like, that's going to be tough to make the geometrical ones. And then you said, no, it's as simple as this. Super
Yes.
happy, sigh of relief, looking forward. Oh, there it is.
Yes.
Yes, please.
So, for getting the job, you have to make the 4 by 4, like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this way, vertical and horizontal and vertical 4 by 4 square boxes, you have to make a this kind of box. Now, it's not necessary you have to write down this way or this way, but it is compulsory if you are writing this way. So, if you start from here till going here, then left to right is fine, or from up to down, but do not do from down to up. Do not go from down to up, either from up to down or left to right. This way you have to do, and you all might have got the job yantra. I am just uh, explaining this way you can do, like writing the 9, then here I am writing number 16, then we will write here number 5. So these numbers which I am placing, they are specific. There is a specific reason for writing these numbers. So you cannot change the numbers, like you cannot write 7 here and 9 here. So numbers which are placed in which any particular box, you have to write them like that way. But that is easy for you. You can take a 2 inches line from here, 2 inches line from here. So 2 by 2 inch square box you can create, and then 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters line you can make, or 1.5 centimeters lines you can make. So that is up to you, because here how much distance of line you are creating, it is not essential, but how we are writing the numbers, that is essential. So you can do in this way. Okay, is there any question here? I
Well,
think it
actually,
is very
lots of
easy.
questions, Upmaji. Before I take it on, when you said at the beginning 4 by 4 boxes, it does not mean it has to be a 4 inch by 4. You can do this on a 2 inch by 2 inch also,
Yes,
right?
yes, 2 by 2 inch, because 4 inch by 4 inch will become a too big. Because
Right.
after making this, we have to keep in a pouch. It could be a cloth pouch or jute pouch, any kind of pouch.
Okay.
This way, you have to make it. You will get this for image of the yantra in the group, and this way you have to create it.
Lots of questions coming in, Upmaji. So,
Yes,
just going to ask Himani's. Himani, you've asked two questions. I'm going to take the first one right now. What are the rituals that you need to go through before making, like, while making the mantra? And is it important to do it on blank paper?
yes, it is important to do on a blank paper, and do only on the white sheet of paper. So do only on the white sheet of paper. The other thing is like this job yantra. Job yantra should be made on the Thursday. So like tomorrow is the Thursday. So you can make it tomorrow. Then what you have to do, uh, either make it on the like till 11 a.m. or after 5 p.m. Don't make it in the afternoon. If you are making in the afternoon, 11:45 till 12:15 is a very auspicious timing daily. So you can choose that timing. Otherwise, from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. is normally do not considered as a good period. So avoid that. Either do 11 before 11 a.m. or till 11 a.m. or do after 5 p.m. Anytime from 5 p.m. till midnight 12 p.m. Midnight 12, we can create the yantra. The second thing, like you had decided to make it today, so take bath, wear a nicely washed clothes or a new clothes to enrich your energies. light a ghee diya in your puja room, or if you are having altar, just light some candle, diya, or scented candles can also be used there. Then um, keep a white piece of sheet, and for particularly job, you need to use the um, blue ink. So keep a blue ink. You can also place scale so that you can make a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, but don't make very large. Otherwise, you will not be able to keep it in a pouch, or you will not be able to see it daily. Because what we have to do once we make this, like you had kept the diya, then you just sit down, do some breathing exercise, enrich your energies, ask the divine to come and bless you, guide you, and then start making this yantra. After completion of yantra, keep the yantra in the feet of Lord, whoever you wish, like Lord Ganesha or any divine, and do some prayers, or do only some chanting of Om. Then ask the divine, I want a job. Like if someone is having existing job, but they are looking for some new opportunity. So what kind of opportunity you are looking? Ask them to the divine in your prayers. If you are not having any job and you are looking for a new job completely, then uh, do the prayers for that particular job. After doing prayers, take the yantra and keep in a pouch. So it could be the blue cloth pouch, or if you are not having the blue colored pouch, then you can take a blue color envelope. If you are not having blue color envelope, then use the blue color file. So I'm giving you three options: either keep in the blue color cloth pouch, envelope, or a file. Something could be easily you can get it. Now when you place the yantra in this thing daily, either take out this yantra from the pouch, envelope, or just the other, like which you had not kept, just daily chant the numbers like you are chanting the mantras. Like for example, for a job purpose, 9, 16, 5, 4, 7, 2, 11, 14, 12, 13, 8, 1, 6, 3, 10, 15. So how you had created left to right, or up to down, up from upside to downside, whatever way you had written, in that same manner, just chant it daily. This way, your energies will get aligned with the yantra, and keep doing this. So, at one time, like in the morning, if you are doing this, chant it for the either 6 times, 9 times, or 11 times. Then you can place it. You can place this yantra or this pouch on your office desk, drawer, or you can place in your bag. When your wish get fulfilled, after that just take out the pouch, keep it in your left palm, cover it with the right palm, then just say, all the energies are coming in my heart. So this way, feel the energies coming in your heart, then just say, thank you for blessing me. Now this has become a small simple paper. Thank you. Now you can take this paper and burn it in the flame of candle or diya. Now take the ashes. So do this thing carefully and take the ashes. You can bury this ash in the soil, or somewhere, if you are having some flowing water, river kind of, there also you can throw it. This is the
Amazing.
complete process.
And this last step is when the reason why you made the yantra has been fulfilled, right?
Yes.
Upma ji, questions pouring in. Half the questions I know you've already answered, but we'll just do a quick recap, because this would apply for all the yantras. This basic
Yes.
procedure of how to light the diya, doing the prayer, activating it, putting it. So I'm going to start. I'm actually starting. I'm going to scroll up because the questions have folded. I've like poured in and they've gone down. Just for this one, for now, I'm asking. Everybody's asked. Quite a few people have asked. Can it be folded? The yantra.
Yes, yantra can be folded, and if you want to fold it and keep it in some kind of amulet or something in the some like हम ताबीज पहनते हैं ना, like that way. So
Ah,
if
right.
you want to wear it, you can fold it and wear it. But for that reason, you have to take a very small paper, because this one, even 1 by 1 inch paper will not get folded and come in that amulet kind of thing.
Right.
You can wear it.
Okay, but can you fold it? Put like can you put it in the pouch, then fold it in case your wallet is small
Yes,
or
yes,
something?
yes. That also you can do.
Oh, fantastic! Because in my head I was thinking you're making a yantra, you should not be folding it; it should
No,
be
no.
upright.
It can be folded. So there
Oh,
is
fabulous!
nothing to worry about that. You can
Okay,
fold it. You can make even two yantras. You can keep one on your office desk and one in your like bedside table, so that you can daily at the night time just chant the numbers.
oh, this so the same yantra can be made a few times and placed in various places
Yes,
so that no matter where you are, you can keep chanting it.
yes.
Oh, fabulous!
So
That's simple.
this way energies will get enriched. Yantra is just we are creating to enrich the energies, so that whatever we desire, we can have it. Even if you are working in your kitchen, you can stick there. So what I do, I had kept 7 yantras in my kitchen. So whenever I am cooking, one by one, this. So these seven, till the time my cooking is done, my chanting of numbers one time is done. Like I do chanting of the number of yantras 2 or 3 times in a day, like in the morning, afternoon, evening. So somewhere morning time completed in the kitchen, afternoon while I am working, and next at the night time.
Fabulous. Make 3 sets. One at your bedside, one at your maximum place where you are in a day, and keep one handy to move around. I love this. So you're not caught with making one and then I forgot
Yes,
where do I look for it. Fabulous.
yes,
Okay. Can we this there is people are asking, can we make our own blue envelope?
yes, you can make your own.
Okay. And can we keep the blue envelope in our purse, in a men's purse? Like
Yes,
men,
yes, yes,
there's no
definitely.
there's no differentiation, right? Upmaji,
Yes,
men
there
and
is no
women.
differentiation. There is no differentiation.
Right. Fabulous. And yes, everybody's asking questions. Please be assured everything that is done today will be reaching you in PDF form also with all the instructions. So you're not missing out on anything. Somebody's asked, yes, Geet, the recording will be shared. Upaji, people, there are quite a few people asking about travel. They're asking about children's health and protection and concentration. And somebody's asked about business. So
Yes,
job and business will be separate,
yes.
correct?
Job and business will be separate. And in
Okay.
business also, there are two types of yantras. Like one who is starting the business,
Okay.
and one if you are looking just to increase your profits.
Interesting. Is there either one of them that we have the possibility of seeing today?
Yes, definitely.
I'm
You
just
can
looking
see
at.
the business yantra.
And this is going to be the one to increase profit.
Yes, this is to increase
Okay.
profit, because anyone who is starting, uh, they will also like to have good income. So I had given for increased profit, to increase profit. Okay. So like earlier I had shown about job, it is also 4 by 4 square yantra. So you can make it by 2 inch or 2 inch or 2 centimeter. So if you are making for a 2 inch, then you will have a enough good space. But if you are making on a 2 centimeters, so you have to make a very small, minute lines. So this way, so it is for you how big or small you want to create. It's up to you. But the things you have to carefully necessary is white paper and the color of the ink which is mentioned. Like for business yantra, blue ink we will require. So these two things will remain same in the job and business yantra. Procedure will also remain same. Like this business yantra should be made on Friday, so Friday morning before 11 a.m. or after 5 p.m. Then uh, in your worship puja room or in your altar, light the diya, good scented candles or mm, dhoop batti, camphor. These will increase your energies. Then you have to take some few deep breath so that your own energy levels rises. Because when we take the deep breath, the our energies from our basic chakra, root chakra, it starts increasing towards our eyebrow chakra. And when we keep our eyes closed, naturally we concentrate on our eyebrow. So it is to just let the divine come and guide you. This is for that reason, because all the yantras or anything we are doing, it is just aligning our energies with the divine energies. So we are doing in this way. Then you can just with the scale, pen, pencil, you can create this yantra. The numbers for business related from left to right are 6, 67, 5, 6. In the second line, 7, 3, 64, 66. In the third line, left to right, 66, 61, 6, 3. The last line, left to right, 4, 0, 62, 65. So this way you can write down. Hmm?
Fantastic.
And after
Upaji, yes,
now,
sorry. Yes, yes.
because this is to increase profit. So increasing in profit, it is for a lifelong. It is not like only 6 months I want profit. Everyone want for lifelong. So what
Correct.
you have to do in such type of yantras, after 6 months you can just take out the older one and discard it the way I told according to job yantra. Like taking it in a left hand, covering from right palm, taking the energies, then burning it and just burying the ashes in the soil. So this way, after 6 months, you can do and create the new yantra. So like Friday you are doing, so Thursday you should complete the process of discarding it and create the new yantra. So anywhere we are doing anything which we want for lifelong, like peace and harmony, money, these are few things which we want for lifelong. But getting a job, it is a just time being. As soon as you get the job, the wish is fulfilled. So
Right.
this is the difference.
Okay. And of course, there's maybe a few more intricacies involved which will come up later. But on a general basis, this
Yes.
is what can be done immediately. Upaji, there are a lot of questions coming in, and I think I must have missed a few because I've scrolled backwards. Hemani, for instance, is asked, what is the logic behind yantras?
Okay.
Like, what is it? Why is it used?
So if you know, we are made up of with 5 elements, and yantras are also made up with the 5 elements, because all the numbers which we are writing here, they are written in a form to balance the 5 element energies. And once you are aligned with the 5 element energies, particularly what you are lacking. So like for example, if you have to remove your teeth, so after removing your teeth, what you will do, you will always get concentrated, like I this one my tooth has, I'm not having that tooth. Or if you are having backache, what you will say, I'm having backache, I'm having some pain. So it is our basically, normally we think in the way where our pain is there. So by balancing the all energies, we just automatically get the things what we are lacking. So this is the one thing. The second thing is like directions, because in this yantra, all the directions, 16 directions are used here. So these 16 directions, whichever direction energy is missing in your astrological chart, that will get complete from here. So from these two point of view, we use yantras.
Okay. And you've also mentioned astrology and numerology, Upmaji. Is it important to have some working knowledge or principles of astrology or numerology in order
No,
to learn about yantras?
no, no. We don't require any kind of knowledge, astrology, numerology, or any other knowledge, because here we have to just look at the yantra where the numbers are placed, and in the same manner you have to just copy it. So you don't need any kind of knowledge here. But yes, if you learn this, you can make for yourself, for your loved ones, and if you wish to make for your clients, you can do for them also.
Oh, absolutely fabulous. Vijay has asked success in profession and good health of kids. This is what she's asked when you said, what do you want? So would this one that we just did for business, would that also be used for success in profession? Or is that completely different and part of what is going to be coming up that everybody will hear about soon?
For success and profession, things are different, because success for me will be different, success
Right.
for you will be different. So like when you are learning it, you will come to know what kind of success you are looking. But in general, yes, I have the yantra for success in profession.
Okay, fantastic. Oh, are we going to do that right now?
Yes, we can do. So success for yantra is again, it's a 4 by 4 square yantra. So you can create it on Tuesday. And again, here you have to take the white paper and blue ink, and from left to right or from upside to downside in a vertical row.
Manji, may I request you to just show it on the screen again, because there are people who've joined in, maybe they've missed the first time around. So it'd be great to have a look at that again.
Sure.
And I know we have Seema waiting with us. So after this, we're going to bring her on for something special that she wants to share with everyone.
Sorry.
So coming up is the yantra to get success.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So is
yantra,
this success only in profession, or is this success for exams, for
this is for
goals?
success in every kind, like for success in getting exams, success in getting whatever thing particularly you are looking for. So like we say na, I hope my this work will get complete today, so it is for that purpose. You can say for your success in exams, business, job, or like if you are going for some work, so any kind of work where you are looking like something, things should get in my favor, it is for
Right.
that purpose.
Okay.
So
This is, of course, general,
yes,
general success,
yes, in
whatever
general,
your goal might be. Okay.
yes. So this way 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way 4 by 4 square box we can create. It can be of 2 inches, 2 by 2 inches, or you can make 2 centimeters. It's up to you. The distance of one box from here, horizontal or vertical, it should not be necessarily like you should count and do. It can be few centimeters ups and down. It's completely fine. But the numbers what we are going to write, they are fixed. It should not get imbalanced or misplaced. So in the first left side corner, you have to write the number 2, then here number 9, then here you can again write 2, number 7 here. In the second row, write number 6 on the left side, number 3, number 6, and number 5. So like 7 and 5, so they will come here, but it's not necessary. If 7 is here, a little right left, 5 could be. So it is not like you have to just match everything. The number should be in that box, but it's not compulsory to match just below the other number. Then 3, again here 8, 1, 4, 5, sorry, 4 and 7. So this way we can use it. It is very easy to make, and easily you can use it anywhere by just keeping in pouch, keeping in the envelope, or keeping in the file. But uh, for the success, use the orange color cloth. So pouch should be the orange color pouch. If you are making the envelope, use the orange color envelope and orange color file. This way you can use it. Okay.
Fabulous. Rajesh has asked, Upmaji, my goal is 1 crore professional receipts. So this is the one you should be using, or actually there is, because this is a little more detailed, there would be something else, which again, we'll be coming up, we'll be letting you know about very soon. So what would you say to Rajesh Mepani?
At least start from this, then just think about what addition, like I said to Chandni, use the sun yantra and the job yantra. So for specific reasons, we have to use 2 or 3 yantras, and at one time we can use any number of yantras. So it is not like if you are using one yantra, you cannot use the other one. You can use 2, 3 yantras or 4 yantras easily for yourself.
Fantastic. Okay, and as I said, okay, and somebody's asked, Upmaji, Geetu's asked, clarity if I'm born to be a healer. So is it possible to get clarity from yantras?
Yes.
And can you be so specific, like clarity if I'm born to be a healer? You can actually put that question into a yantra and get it?
No. For that reason,
Yes.
she can make the yantra of moon. So when we make the yantra of moon, then we will get the clarity, like for becoming healer, or if you are confused in anywhere, make the yantra of moon. That will be helpful.
Oh, fantastic. Because I was like, how pinpointedly can you put an intention into the yantra? This is very interesting. Upmaji, we have Seema here with us, who has experienced the power of these yantras with you. Seema, you're unmuted. Can you say hi, and can you come on video, please, if possible?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, and we can see you. Hello.
Hello, Seema.
Namaste, Ma. Namaste, Mapma. How are you?
Badhiya.
And good evening, everyone, whoever is listening. I used this particular yantra, which I want to show you on screen. This one, can you see?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, we can see you.
And since the day Ma Upma has introduced this yantra, I've been drawing it regularly every day. And this has shown me positive results also.
Seema, so sorry. Can you just get your phone? Perfect. Thank you. Superb. Yes, we can see your beautiful face fully now.
Now, I've been listening to this session and I'm not sure whether I was doing it properly, but according to the instructions which Ma Upma had given that time, according to that, she had said that we can use it with any pen. We can draw the yantra with any pen. So I've been using blue color pen. And my intentions were clear that time, what I wanted, because I had applied for one interview for one job which I wanted. And that time intentions were clear, but due to this pandemic, this COVID situation, I did not imagine that I'll be getting it. So, but still I was doing without any, like, I was just doing it with a blank mind, but intentions were clear. And I've been listening to the session, and she said that you have to draw the yantra on a blank page. But I've been drawing it on this kind of paper.
Right. But this is specific to you, Seema, right? This is not a general one that she's given. This is a specific consult that you've had with Upmaji, correct? Correct?
She had given this for getting for
Sorry.
source of income job.
Okay.
So for that
Seema,
I've been
so sorry, I'm just coming in. Would it be possible for you to stay exactly where you are right now and say something, because we're losing you in between, like your voice is okay. This is good. Can you stay here?
yes. Okay. So this yantra which she had given me, it has shown me positive results. I've got what I wanted. This is the main conclusion, and I recommend it to everyone. This yantra is 816-357-492.
I'm just going to, Upmaji, I'm going to bring you in here very quickly.
Yes.
Is this a general yantra, or was this specific for Seema?
Specific for Seema according to her birth chart.
Ah, okay. So people avoid, keep that number away from you, because this is specific for Seema. And we will tell you more about that also in a very quick bit. But Seema, thank you so much for coming in, and congratulations on getting your job. And I love
Thank
the
you so
fact
much.
that you kept going with it even through the pandemic. I think this is where the power comes in, right, Seema?
Yes, and I've been doing this regularly since then, since the day she had introduced me to this. And I also did not believe in drawing mantras and all. And this is the first time I've done, and it has shown me positive results. But your intentions, I believe, should be clear in your head what you want, and then leave it to the universe.
Absolutely. Fabulous.
That is what Mahatma says. Okay.
Upmaji, do you have anything to say to Seema?
Thank you, Seema, for sharing, and God bless you.
Okay, thank you, Mahatma. Thank you so much. Bye, Mahatma. See you
Bye,
soon.
take care. Thank you.
That is amazing. And you can obviously see the excitement and the happiness on Seema's face, because when you get something that you want, and no matter what the circumstances and the situations, if you just keep, Upmaji, tell me something. I'm interrupting myself only. Even if you don't believe in these things,
Yes.
if you just make it and just repeat the numbers, you just make it and keep doing it, is the intention still going out, or it won't work otherwise?
Okay.
If you're cynical about it.
Yeah. First, tell me, to get the sunlight, do you need to believe on sun?
No. Correct.
Same with the yantra.
Yeah, right, exactly. Do you need to believe in the air to breathe it? No, it's right there.
Yes.
So
You
go
have
for
to
it.
just create it and keep chanting, because it is on the elements and the directions. And elements and directions don't say you have to believe on us, then only we are going to give the result. I just said a few minutes before, whatever we are lacking in our life, we keep our energies there. And by creating the yantra and just chanting the numbers, or like I said to Seema, to make the yantra, because to whom I know, so I know where and what is the thing which can give them results soon. So I said her to draw it daily. So it depends. To some, I will say draw it daily. To some, I will say do the just chanting. And to some, I will say just daily gaze on it. So it depends how, which type of elements you are already having, or where you are lacking. So in consultation, that is done. But here I am just saying, keep chanting, because that is the safest way.
Right. And Upmaji, people are asking, can we use this doing, like Preeti says, I want to increase my client base. Cynthia says she mental and emotional health. Pooja is asking, can we make for others? All of this. So, and can we do for our children? Tejal also asks. And these are a little varied. There's somebody asking for children, somebody asking for can we make for others, and somebody saying, I want to increase my client base. Does all of this get covered on a general basis
Yes.
with the success yantra, for example?
Yeah, to increase the client base, it is just for making the money, or you just want the followers. I suppose if you are looking for clients, then it should be related to money.
Right.
So-
Increased client base would mean obviously clients
Yes.
increase means income increase, right?
Yes. So
Right.
the yantra which we had shared about business to increase profit, that can be created, and you can make it for yourself, kids, husband, wife, siblings, clients, anybody. Just you have to take the yantra and copy it. And like if you are doing for children or your husband, so you have to say, I'm doing on the behalf of my kid, or I'm doing on the behalf of my husband, and just chant the numbers. Because if you are creating that, it is 100% sure husband or kid, they are not going to chant. So you have to make the yantra, and you have to daily chant for their uh, reason, whatever reason you are creating for the auspicious benefits.
Right. And very interesting question here, Upmaji. If we keep the yantra in the kitchen, visitors can see that. Can they see? Okay, sorry. I'll just rephrase the question. Nilima is basically asking, can we? Do we need to keep the yantra hidden?
No, it's not necessary to keep it hidden. Like you can, like if you are placing in the kitchen, visitors or your maid will come and they will see. So until and unless you are having some kind of fear, like if they will see, they will ask me questions, and what I will answer. So in that scenario, don't do. But if you don't have that kind of fear, then you can definitely place it. So according to me, there is nothing if you are placing it anywhere where anybody is looking.
Right.
You can do
And
it.
I think that's so lovely, no, Upmaji. If you are concerned about 30 questions somebody might ask and you don't want to talk about it, don't keep it visible. And if you don't have a problem saying, I'm trying this with this, keep it. It's absolutely
Yes,
fine. Right?
or I have one suggestion. You can place a yantra and just stick a calendar above it. So when you have to chant it, remove the calendar, do your chanting, and again hide it with the calendar.
Ah, right. Right. And so many of us have calendars hanging on the wall somewhere or the other, right? So
Yes,
nice.
normally like panchang, that kind of calendar is normally seen in the Indian kitchens.
Right. Right. Absolutely. I'm just asking, Upmaji, instead of burning, can we put it in water for some hours and then bury the soaked paper into the soil?
Yes, we can do.
Because actually, thank you, Anju, actually for this question. Because a lot of people overseas, Upanji, they stay in places where they're not allowed to burn things indoors.
Okay.
In India,
Yes.
doesn't matter which city you're in, you can happily burn a few things here and there. No one's going to say a thing.
Yes.
But overseas, they have these regulations.
Yes. So the reason for discarding is like we have to merge the yantra, which we make it as a simple, like by taking the energies, we have to merge them in the five elements. So either by burning or by dipping in the water and then just throw that water in some soil. Don't drain it in the drainage.
Right.
Just do in soil. And if you don't want to do that, you can just tear and throw in the air where there is a good garden.
Ah, all right.
So it will be like merging in the air.
Vandana is asking Upmaji that can we create so many yantras at the same time? I know you mentioned this earlier, but just once again.
Yes, you can do. And for Vandana, like 15 yantras she can do, but ask her Will she be able have some so much time to daily chant the numbers?
Right. I think it's a little bit of thought should go into it. What's your immediate first priority?
Yes.
You know,
So
some
I will,
short term, some long term, and then keep
yes,
moving with it.
yes. So
Yeah.
I will say in a starting, make one yantra for every member. So four, five maximum or six, because lot of yantras. Because if you will do if you will do workshop, then you will get the knowledge of more than 20 yantras, and everywhere you will think this is for me, this is for my husband, this is for this, but we can't create 20 yantras at the same time.
Right. Oh, in fact, Upmaji, like you said, with the workshop, and everybody's going to get to know about this soon enough, very soon, in fact. You said we're going to get to learn about a lot, and you're suggesting when you do, even with this general one, make one for each family member. Upmaji, children don't sit and chant.
Yes, that's why I said
So you can chant for your child?
yes, yes, that's
Oh,
why I said
lovely.
on the behalf of children or on the behalf of husband, you can create the yantra and chant. Just whenever you are doing chanting, give a intention. I'm doing on behalf of my children or doing behalf of my sister or husband this way.
Oh, lovely. That means you don't even have to be worried about giving it to child where it's lost, don't know. Given to
No,
husband where in office lost, don't know.
you have
Super,
to take everything in your control.
superb. Vandana is asking any specific reason for only blue?
No, no, blue we had used for these two
These two.
yantras right now.
Okay.
Somewhere we will use other ink also.
All right.
Normally blue is the color for manifestation. That's why I'm using it quite often in yantra.
Okay. So Nagesh says, I'm into astrology, and he's also written yantra is to increase one's intuitive power. In fact, Upmaji, for any practicing astrologer or even numerologist, this is a very good add-on tool,
Yes,
isn't it,
yes,
for their
it will be.
consultancies?
Yes, yes,
Right.
it will be.
And simultaneously, you don't actually have to have the knowledge of either of these two. You can just do it. You can be a complete layman and you can still learn to do this and do it without fear. Because there are a
Without
lot of
fear,
fears involved behind, especially the geometric ones. Which direction, how many times, don't place it upside down, don't put it that way. So,
yeah,
yeah.
here we don't have such kind of restrictions. And like in Healers Telesummit, I said, learn and earn. The same I will say here. You don't need to have any other knowledge. Just learn how to make the yantras and you can start earning from here.
Fabulous. And Upaji, you had mentioned to make it either at a certain time in the morning or a certain time in the evening. Cynthia's asked, so after it is made at the correct time, you can chant any time all day
Yes,
long?
yes.
Okay, okay.
For
All right.
chanting, you don't have to be specific anytime. You can do anytime, and it's not necessary for chanting you have to take bath. Even just when you woke up at that time, you can do, or any time of the day.
Okay. And 6, 9, or 11 times, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Vijay, thank you for the question. Vijay has asked, Upmaji, can we laminate the yantra? Oh, but then how will you discard it?
Yes, that's the
Ah.
reason we don't laminate.
Right, right. Okay, so no lamination, keep it paper, and that's why you're putting it in the pouch or the envelope for its protection.
Yes.
Okay. Vijay, hope that answers your question. And there's again, questions coming in. I know that Nilima has to leave, and we have someone else here very quickly to share with us her experience with working with the yantras. Nilima, I know I saw you on video in the beginning. Are you here? You are here. I'm asking you to unmute you. Come on video.
Nilema
Please.
is my very sweet student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello,
Hi,
Nilema.
Nilima.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I'm not in a hurry. I'm doing my work and parallelly listening. I cannot
Okay,
skip
okay,
her
great.
video. I cannot skip anything, whatever she's telling, if you ask me. So I will, whatever I'm telling right now, I'm telling it very bluntly and very honestly without hiding anything because I see the audience is houseful, like not in the cinema hall, but here it is houseful, actually. So I would just like to just see what I wrote because I don't want to miss on any point. So in lockdown, for me, Upmaji was really a blessing because you know why? Before I met her in the month of November, I did Durga Devi Puja for the first time in my entire life for 9 proper days. And then wherein I jumped into her group, and there wherein she guided whatever she told, all the 9 days, I followed it. And then when I got an opportunity to do a consulting with her and join her astrology class as well. So during the pandemic, as everybody knows, we were not able to, everybody were not having a proper job or anything. My husband was not paid for proper 6, 7 months, his salary, due to which I had to put my gold in the bank. I started doing this yantra from November, I think, November or December. And today, this last week on March 1st, we got the way out to get out the gold from the bank. That is only because of the yantra. It was specific because I did a consulting. It was with a particular orange pen, doing it certain number of times daily. So you all have to get consulting with ma'am first for your personal thing and also join the class. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Nidhi.
Neema. That is fabulous. So the gold that was put in because there was no income coming in, finally Nilima was able to find the solution to get it out. So there are so many things popping into my head. This is money. This is unblocking of the flow of wealth in your direction. Gold, uh, so much. There's just so much. So I think what's interesting here, Rupmaji, is please correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm seeing some questions also coming in. That when you talk about success or you talk about a job, there's so much more involved. You know, success is a generic word. Job is a generic word. You have to know how to customize it for yourself, right?
Right.
Ah, understood. And in fact, okay, sorry, we're just taking a few questions on again. There are lots of them coming in for health, Ukmaji. So please, out there, it's coming again. Please share your answer for health issues. And Ruta Jani is written for debts. Again, for debts, Ukmaji, one of the general ones that have been shared here, success in job, does any of that get involved, or this is completely different and part of the workshop?
Debt is for part of workshop,
Okay. All right.
but
Uh,
you can start using the to increase the profit, that yantra. So it will start giving you some money.
Right. Right.
You will
And
have money, you will be able to pay the.
the debt off. Right. So see, there's something here for everyone, and you will be getting the PDF with the call replay. There is something here for everyone. You can start something off because it will lead to something else. You know, you peel one layer, one more layer comes up, but it'll always open some door. So pay attention to all of this. Alka has written in Upanji, if we make for someone else, do we write the person's name on the yantra?
No, we don't need to write the name of the person.
Okay.
Just
And you don't need to write success or job or
no,
whatever.
no, you don't need to write all those things. Here we
Okay.
are writing just to understand. So you
Right.
have to just I showed like 4 by 4 square yantra you have to make, and that you have to know कि I had made it for my son or for myself. So like for example, in a home, for health purpose, for everybody's health, we have for everyone's health, we want like everyone should be healthy in our home. So you don't have to make each and everyone's yantra. There you have to make only one yantra and just say all my family members are always healthy and chant
Ah.
it.
And then when you chant it, you just say that, or do you take each person's name and chant it once?
Just to say for my family's health.
Oh, fabulous. Okay, superb. And Alka's asked for block finances, excuse me, for block finances, opportunity, studies, marriage, health, relationship. Okay, Alka, there is finances has been taken care of. Studies, the success has also come in. Health is coming up right now, and there is a lot more that will be coming up with the classes. But hang in there. Upmaji, should we just do the health one quickly?
Sure. Yes, definitely we can do.
And I
So
also just want to let everybody know that hang in there till the end of the class. Okay, there are two very sweet special surprises coming your way. So hang in there, don't go anywhere. All right, and we're heading into the health yantra. Again, this is a general one. All right, so at least start using it. And for details, we shall be giving you more soon.
yes, for health, you have to make the 4 by 4, this way 4 by 4 square box. So again, I will say 2 by 2 inch or 2 centimeter by 3 centimeter. It's upon you. So whatever, how long, how broad, length and breadth depends on your choice. This health yantra you have to make on the white blank paper with orange color ink. You can write horizontally or vertically. So from left to right you can go, or from upside to downside. I'm starting from here. So first I will write here number 5, then number 10. Next we will write number 15. Then we will write here number 4. In the second row, we will write here number 11, number 8, then number 1. So these numbers, what I am writing, they are fixed. You cannot change the numbers, like 14 cannot be written here and 4 can't be written here. So whatever number where they are written, you have to just copy them. You can't use your um, any other imagination or any other thing. You need to just copy it. No other knowledge is required for copying. And if you write in the Hindi language or in any language, you can use that language numbers. But the number like 14 in Hindi or in English or in any language, but 14 will be 14 only. So this way, this is the compulsion. The distance, for first row, second row, or here, that can be, if you are just by centimeters, few centimeters up and down, like can be, uh, we can use any, a little bit distance can be good, but it is not fixed, so it can be flexible, but the numbers placement is fixed. So always careful about the numbers. The distance of the lines is flexible. Don't uh, get confused in that key. If I had made the line, I'm using 1 centimeter, so it should be 1 centimeter only. If it is 1 centimeter or more than 1 centimeter, that's fine. The number should be fixed. So this way, left to right or from upside to down, but you can't write in a diagonal way, like start writing from 5 and go diagonal. So diagonal is not permitted, only left to right or from up to down. Only these two way is permitted. So this way you can create it and then place it in the green color cloth pouch, or in the green color envelope, or in a green color file. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Nilu, you are muted.
Sorry, I'd muted myself because DJ had started barking. Yes, it is clear. I'm just looking to see if anybody has any questions for the health yantra. People are asking, they want yantras to remove hurdles in work. So she is asking anything for court cases. So hurdles in work and court cases, would one of these work currently, Upmaji, on a general level?
In general level, the success one is a very common one, which you
Okay.
can use anywhere. But for lawsuit, in the course I'm giving.
Oh, amazing. Fantastic. Oh, and I actually started laughing when I read this when you were just starting the health yantra. Manisha has written yantra to get a good mate. For heaven's sake, it's so needed. So, Upaji, is it going to be covered in the workshop? How to get a good mate?
No, I don't have any yantra to get a good mate but I have one astrological remedy to get a good maid. So just to check in the southwest go in the southwest direction and keep 100 grams magnet there with the intention the maid like you are looking for a whole day or for specific reason. So this kind of maid is automatically coming and connecting to me with that intention. Keep the 100-gram magnets in the glass bowl on floor or anywhere, but it should be in the southwest direction. You can keep inside the cupboard drawer, under the bed, or if you are having garden in the southwest balcony there, but it should be southwest.
I love this. And ladies and gentlemen in the house, this is what you get when you have somebody who has so much experience in so many fields. We're talking about yantras. Manisha is ready to make a yantra to get maids. There is none currently, but you've just been given a solution, Manisha. I hope you heard that. And thanks to you, everybody in the house who is having this, please go ahead and try that and do touch base with Upmaji for more. And this, Upmaji, I think is a fabulous example of, like I said, the amount of years you've spent studying, researching, putting things together, and making them so simple for us. And as always, you always have some amazing things that you put together for us. There are people asking, I want to know the details of the workshop. Somebody said, I think it was Payal saying, Upmaji, please give me yantra to get money so that I can pay for the workshop. So, Payal, hang on, just look at the details of the workshop first, and I'm just going to ask the team to just to get the details opened here. We will take a few more questions after this, and there is Archana who's written on the group, Upmaji. She's here right now. She said that she's been using the yantra for the last 20 days and would love to come and share. Archana, give us a few minutes. We shall definitely love to hear from you. And we're waiting for you to get to know how you can learn this, right? So, and Upmaji, astrology not needed. Numerology not needed. Who is needed? Only you.
Yes, and your desire to make it.
Right, right. Absolutely. Absolutely. Amrish, Shilpa, if we could just thank you.
Yes. So it is the workshop numerology based yantra because it is a very simple thing which we can do. So no extra knowledge is required here. So this workshop will be for total 4 hours and we will start it from 17th of March and 18th of March. 2 days workshop it would be, and the timing will be IST 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and it will be on a Zoom. Then
Upmaji, wait. People, have you seen? Okay, whoever, it's on the group as well. But you know what? You also get your personalized yantra design when you take this workshop on. Upmaji, this is so casual for you. You just let it be over there. Look at that, people. 2-day workshop with the yantras, and you get your own personalized yantra design. How amazing is that? So, Upmaji,
and
17th and 18th March.
yes, so I will take the birth details of every participant and then I will give each and every one, and that will be designed by me according to your planetary positions, or if you will say I am going through this particular issue. So looking at that, I will create this. So that I am not going to tell you in the course because I will use my all the knowledge, astrology, Vastu, numerology, color therapy, Bach flowers. So from that, this personalized yantra will come.
Upmaji, whatever this workshop costs, I think just this is worth it. Just come in and take this, people. So moving on to the next.
Yes.
Okay. So we have the numerology based yantra workshop, Upmaji, where tell us what are we getting there? We are going to be going through.
So the first package A, in that you will come to know about the introduction of numeric yantras. So why we create the numeric yantras? Here I had given only just one simple reason. In the workshop I will tell you why and some more details about this number based yantra, then how to create it, how to use it. So here I had given you 2 3 ways. In the workshop we will increase some more methods to use them. How to merge yantra and into 5 elements, and after receiving the auspicious benefits, like here we had done for wish fulfillment for getting the job, and the process will remain some, but during workshop I will give some more inputs how to merge
Fantastic.
them in the 5 elements. Then these
So,
are the yantras which we are going to cover in the workshop. Number one is for general health and well-being, because specific we cannot do because someone might be having diabetes or somewhere other things. So that you will come to that you will get from your personalized yantra from me. But here the general one you will be able to know, and then you can make it and give to others also. The second yantra will be to get relief from debt, which someone was asking, na?
correct. Yes, somebody was asking.
Yes. Then the third yantra will be for to recover money from debtors. Like you had given money, now you want your recover money, so that also you will get. To get success in lawsuits. The fifth one is to increase confidence, because I had seen this question many times in my consultations, in classes, how to increase confidence. So we will do that also. To get appreciation and favor from boss. Like if you will ask 50%, whoever is working in the companies, they will say, my boss is not giving me appreciation. So to get appreciation and favor from boss. Then the seventh one, to increase love between husband and wife. Eight, to get a new job. 9, to increase bank balance. 10, for weight loss. This might be the attraction for many.
I'm putting my hand up.
Vanna might be. Then to improve eyesight, because we are daily working online. So this is quite required.
Yes.
Then to get rid of lethargy, because I am becoming lazy in this COVID, during COVID time. So I thought it will help others also. To get success in exams, because this is the mom's favorite question.
Right. And you know what? Exam season is around the corner. Pre-boards are happening, boards are happening. Quickly attend this and start doing this now.
Yes. Then to buy property, like if you are thinking to purchase property but not able to purchase, then this will help. Protection from evil eye, because this is also one of the very common thing which is asked in consultations. So I had put this one also. To increase luck, because we always think just at the last moment I did not complete this work, or something got slipped in from my hand. So this
Right.
is for to increase your luck. To get good sleep. To get desired life partner. Then the 19th one is to overcome depression, harmony in family. 21 is to pacify Manglik dosh, because this is something which is in astrological experience. People are very uh, scary about the Manglik reason. Then the last one is to pacify ancestral curse. So last two are from astrological, but for that also you don't need any astrological knowledge, because that I am going to give you. And for all these things, the bonus is 6 months WhatsApp support, like you will attend workshop on 17th and 18th March. But 6 months I will be with you. So anytime you are doing anything and feeling any having any question, I will support you. One personalized yantra that also you will get, and the for all these things, the usual price is 11,833, which is USD 186. You are again muted.
This is all thanks to DJ. And obviously, Upma ji, knowing you, we know you have a fabulous offer for everyone, and that offer is.
So that offer is because everyone is going to get this offer from Mystic Lotus. So from Mystic Lotus, this offer is for rupees 2,333 and USD dollar 37 only. So
Yes.
it is 80% off.
For 24 hours only.
Yes.
Okay,
for
80% off for 24 hours only. But like I said, this is Upma ji, and you know what's, there's a sound that a lot of people haven't heard in a long time, and I don't know, can you hear it? Can you hear that sound, Upma ji? Can you hear
Yes.
And all right, there it is. And people, you have the opportunity of a flash sale, super awesome amount at which you can buy this workshop for at right now. And that amount is, there's the bell again. Oh, Patty, just say it. Just say it.
So the flash offer for right now, if you are having a very good Mercury, then just do it. 87% off, and right now if you will do for rupees only 1,533, which is USD 25, and it is for right now till our call is here.
Only till the end of the call, people, and we are going to be winding up very soon. Your payment options are there on the group and in the Zoom chat. Like Upma ji said, if your Mercury is strong, you know you're going to be taking action right now. And you know what, for everybody else, you're taking your action right now. Look at that,
Yes.
1,533 till the end of this call. This is an opportunity you do not just let slip by. All right, 1533, 2-day workshop, personalized
Yantra.
yantra. I mean, even if you don't want to, just come in for your personalized yantra. Literally, I'm literally saying that is an offer price that is unbelievable. All right, grab it. Neelima has actually written in Upma ji, Neelu ji, join the workshop to see the beautiful smile of Upma ji, and all your problems will be solved. Neelima, I've already joined. I've already joined.
Yes. And if you are still confused, go in your kitchen, take the 5 grains of green moong in your hand, you will get the clarity.
Do it fast right now, though, okay? Because the offer is only there till the end of the call.
Yes. So do
Fabulous.
quickly.
Yes, I'm just going to repeat this very quickly for everybody. I'm just telling you right now, 1533 rupees or $25 for a 2-day yantra workshop, numerology based yantra workshop with the indomitable Upma ji. This is a no-brainer, ladies and gents, and we don't use that word very often. This is literally a no-brainer. Okay, so we're going to give you a few seconds, minutes to get your credit card or click on the link, use your bank transfer, however applicable. And we have somebody very special here, Anu, who we're going to get. Sorry?
Anshu.
Anshu, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Anshu, who we're going to get on right now. And this, you know what? I won't say a word. Hear from Anshu directly. Anshu, I've asked to unmute you. And if we could see you on video, that'll be an added bonus for us.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, there you are. Yes, you are. Yes, I was wondering if it was the same Anshu. I'm so glad it was you.
Yeah,
Hi, Anshu.
I'm a big fan of Upma ji, and it was also a mistake how I just got in touch with her through a very close friend of mine, Kamlu. And also after that, I've been a big fan. Every time in a little bit of a soup also, I just reach out to Upma ji and it works for me very beautifully. So I must share, like she had given a yantra 816-357-492 magical yantra, which I shared with my son-in-law. I said, you're going through tough times. They are based in the US. So please do it if you feel like. And of course, how children are these days, you can't force anything. So he started doing it. And he was aiming to buy a property which he really wanted very badly, because his family is having more children. And he said, okay, I'll do it. And that which the house they had bidded, it was gone. He came back depressed and telling me that we can't take it anymore and we have to let it go. After a week, he comes back and, we get a call from the broker. It's still on. You want the deal? And then, every day he's been chanting on this yantra, and I don't know how, but mystically all things happened. There were lack of finances, lack of time. I really don't know what words to say, but it has happened. And, like some things are so mystic. It was so beautifully done. How it is. Children are living outside. They don't very much believe in these things spiritually or whatever. We keep inculcating them with all this.
Right.
But yes, this is how it starts, More important for me, I was happy, like he's now having faith, in little spiritually. Aise karte karte, he will enhance it.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
it was very beautiful, and that house has come back to us, and my daughter is going to move in shortly, and I'm so happy for them. And thanks a lot to Upmaji.
Thank you, Anshuji. Thank you. Thank you. And
Thank you for coming in and sharing, Anshu. We're also happy for you and for your family. And this actually brings me to something very important. Nilima, Seema, Anshu, they've all had a personal experience with Upmaji. All right. They have gotten specific yantras made for their specific concerns. And Upmaji is here. Of course, we have this fabulous workshop offer that you should not miss out on. However, if you want just a personalized yantra with from Upmaji, there is a very, very, very special offer for that also. We're getting that up on the screen right now. And the options for those will also be there. And you needn't rush with that, so don't worry at all. We're just giving you the amazing possibility of just consulting with Upmaji and just getting your thing done. You can have a single session or you can have multiples. And here we are. So 1533 flash offer, remember till end of call. Okay. And a session with Upmaji.
Yes.
Upmaji, please go ahead.
So the package B is, if you don't want to join the astrology, numerology, number-based yantra workshop, you can still get the yantra. So what you have to do, you have to just take the package B, and here you will get the 33% off. So the usual cost for this personalized yantra is rupees 3,333, which is USD $53. And for right now, if you do, the special price for you is rupees 2,233 and the USD $36. So you can have your own personalized with whatever question you are having. I will take care of that specific area with your birth details. I will make the yantra and we will courier you. So,
and courier charges are applicable for shipping locations outside India, and the team will be there to help you with that. So please don't worry about that at all. And of course, Upmaji, your first question at the beginning was what? I am greedy. I want money. I want job. I want everything. Who's going to be happy with like one this thing? So there is an option there, right there for you to be able to get 3 yantras done, and that's coming up right now.
yes. So who is greedy? Who want more than one yantra? So package C is for you. So if you don't want to come for Numero Yantras workshop, so here for 3, so you can give me the 3 specific questions or for your 3 family members, or for yourself, 3 areas of life. I will create the 3 yantras for you. It could be your 3 issues or 3 family members. So the normal price is rupees 9,933, which is USD 156. And today, if you want to take this, the special price is rupees 5,533 and USD dollar 87, which is like 44% off.
Which is so amazing. So amazing.
Yeah.
And all your favorite numbers are around, Upmaji, 3 and 3 and 4 and 4. I can see that.
Yes. 333 many times.
Yes. Yes. And I think it's so amazing, Upmaji, that you've left it open, that you don't have to get 3 yantras made just for yourself. You can do 1 for you and 2 more for 2 more family members. People, the links are all on the group. And of course, the flash offer is only on till the end of this call. It is for the numerology based yantra workshop, only for 1,533 rupees or $25. Post this call is the special price of 2,333 or $37. All the options are out, all the payment links are out. They will be in the replay email as well. Your PDF with all the yantras that we've done and then some will also be there. So that is that. And there was Upaji, I know I took somebody's name. I'm just scrolling upwards again. I'm gonna see if we can get her on.
Archana ji.
Archana, yes, thank you. We're just getting Archana on very quickly, and because Archana has written that she's been doing it for the last 20 days. So we have somebody like brand new, literally. Hi, Archana ji.
Hello, I'm connected with Upma since I can say 2 years, and whenever I'm in a trouble, I call her and she gives me the remedies. And since last 20 days, every day at night, I'm making the yantra with the true intention, and let's see the result. I can tell you later on only.
Fabulous. Thank you so much for coming on and sharing with us.
Really marvelous, and I can say, for me, she's the goal to reach, and I am out of my difficulties.
Thank you, Archana ji. Thank you.
Thank you. Archana ji, you're a sweetheart. I have to say
I'm
this.
joining her, and I've transferred 1533.
Oh, you've taken it, yes. Very nice. Well, I will look forward to meeting you there for sure, Archana ji. And thank you so
Sure.
much for coming on. You're an absolute delight.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
कितने पैसे का? हैं?
Yes.
Okay. She's so sweet. I'm so
Yes,
glad she
very
came
sweet.
on. Upmaji, I think this is such a nice, happy. Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं? चुलबुली, like it's just a
हाँ.
happy, excited, bringing the energy up note to kind of close this on. I'm just checking very quickly if we people have already started paying. They're posting the receipt straight on the group. Thank you so much. The team will gather your information and send it all across to Upmaji.
Thank you.
Upmaji,
Yes.
it's 8 o'clock, and I'm bringing up the time because I want to say that I just didn't realize where the time went. I normally have my eyes somewhere. I just didn't realize where the time went at all. It went completely. This is so simple, so sweet, yet so many questions, so many options, so many possibilities. I know I'm looking forward to this workshop. I know a lot of people, including Archana ji, are looking forward to this workshop. Upma ji, thank you so much. And of course, Upma ji, before we go, is there anything you'd like to say to us or leave us with?
Yes. So Neelu, tomorrow is Shivratri, Mahashivratri.
Mahashivratri, yes, yes.
Yes, and we all Indians know it is for blessings from the Lord Shiva and Parvati, and they are the ultimate in their marital life. So everyone thinks their marital life should be like Lord Shiva and Parvati. The girls also worship Lord Shiva and Parvati. Girls who want to get married, they worship Lord Shiva and Parvati. So I want to give one quick yantra for getting married. So I think in our list,
In fact, thank you for bringing that up because there were a lot of people asking for love and for marriage. So, Upaji, in fact, if we can just hang on for a quick minute for that yantra, there are a bunch of questions that have
Sure.
come in suddenly. So let's just take care of that and
Yes,
then
first we
then
will
get the
take
yantras in. I hope everybody's okay with that. There are some people asking, Upmaji, is it are other dates possible? As in, they're paying right now, but they might not be able to attend 17th and 18th. Will it be possible for them to attend the next round whenever you do this next?
yes, they are able to, but if they will get the recordings. So if they want to see the recordings and then ask me questions, it is also possible. Or next time, whenever I am doing, they can do it.
Right. So everybody has. So that also answers another question that Jaspreet asked, that you're traveling and there will be recordings. And again, people, Upmaji takes care of all her students. If you're traveling, attend the next workshop.
Yes.
If you're okay to listen to the recordings and get back to her with questions, you're most welcome to do that also. And I am saying this because I am her student also. All right. So I know this for a fact. I'm not just like throwing it out in the air. All right. She takes care of everyone. So don't worry about a thing. Just Preet, that takes care of your question, I hope.
And
Suneet
will
has
also
the
be
same
there.
question. March month calendar is booked. Any other dates, please? So Upmaji, once the March one is done, I'm sure you'll be doing one soon enough again, right?
Yes,
So can Suneet take the flash offer now and come in for the next one?
yes, definitely.
Suneet, Upmaji is a sweetheart. She'll say yes. She said yes also. Come on. All right. And am I missing any other questions? Yes, you are getting recording. Cynthia has asked, Upmaji, I have a special needs granddaughter with the slow mental process. Can a yantra be made that will help her?
Yes,
She's a special needs child.
yes. And for that reason, we have to do personalized yantra. Common yantras will not work there.
Right. Yes, Nikki, that question is already answered. Everybody who's asked about 17, 18 dates, I hope we've answered that question. Am I missing any other questions, please? Because I think in seeing all the receipts coming in, I missed out on this question. My apologies, everyone. Everyone's asking 17, 18 not free, 17, 18 not free.
Weekend.
It's possible. You've already received your yes. Yes, Upmaji, you were saying something?
So people want the weekend.
Do you want the weekend? Do you want the weekend? I want every day. I'm just kidding. Okay.
So first we will do on 17th and 18th March, 4 to 6 p.m. And then whenever I'm doing the next batch, that time people can join.
Superb. So basically, okay, everybody, 17th, 18th is happening. Whenever Upmaji has the next batch, where all of you who have date concerns, you'll come in with the next one. She'll keep it on the weekends. So I think everybody's sorted with all of this. Dinaz is asked, can a yantra be made to avoid any black magic or obstacles in life?
Yes.
Protection from evil eye.
Yes, protection from evil eye will work.
Right. And there is a general one that's coming your way in the PDF also, correct, Upmaji?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And is there any offer for consultation? Yes, Manoj. And the offers have been put in for a single consultancy is 2,333. And if you want 3, It is at a fabulous price of 5,533 rupees. And Rekha has asked, after learning, is it possible to make personalized yantra? Is it possible to make, very interesting question, Rekha. Thank you so much. She's asked Upmaji, after learning this, is it possible to make personalized yantras
No,
for somebody else?
no, personalized you won't be able to do, because personalized yantra, I use astrology and my other knowledge. So the yantras which I will share in the course, those yantras for common grounds you will be able to make, but not the personalized.
Right. So it's when you learn it, it's not that you're making only for yourself. Tomorrow, if because I'm doing the workshop tomorrow, if Amrish says, Nilu, I want this to this, I can make that one for him and give it to him. Right.
Yes, the
And if he
possible,
says, I want my birth date, birth chart, everything, then I will say, call Upma Srivastava, please.
yes,
All right. So I hope that answers that question as well. And I think we have, don't worry, Mridul, you haven't missed anything. It'll be there in the PDF again. Not to worry. And the replay will also be out soon. And coming back to Upmaji, you had something for us. You had something to say to us.
yes. So because tomorrow is the Shivratri and it is a very auspicious day, and when we are having such kind of auspicious day, then we don't have to look what yantra we want to make. So any yantra, whether we shared like it should be done on Tuesday, Friday, on this auspicious day, you can make any kind of yantra. But especially because Mahashivratri is for the love and relationship of Lord Shiva and Parvati. So love, relationship, getting married, these yantras will be more auspicious to make tomorrow. So I'm going to tell you how to make the yantra for marriage purpose.
So everybody was asking from the beginning, I want to get married or relationship, coming
Yes.
right up.
Yes. So this is for looking for partner. So if you are already having, then don't make it, because
That's a good
until and
reminder.
unless you are thinking for. So this is for looking for uh, 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 new partner, like life partner, for getting marriage purpose. This is for that reason. So you have to make a 3 by 3 square yantra. You can again make it in the 2 by 2 inches, or depending on your choice, 2 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, that's up to you. Just the numbers are fixed. So write in the left to right or from upside to downside, like horizontal or vertical rows you have to select. In that manner, you have to write down the numbers. The procedure will remain same, like you have to just light a ghee diya, lamp, candle in your worship area or in your altar. Use some scented candles, agarbatti or camphor, burn the camphor. This will increase the energies. Then take deep breath, do some chanting of Om, connect yourself with the divine and take the guidance. Then on the piece of paper, with a white piece of paper with orange color ink. So here you can take sketch pen, normally orange color pen, or if you want to use some other, but it should be only orange color. So orange color ink is required. With the help of that orange color sketch pen, you can write the number 4 here, number 24 in middle, in the last 16, in the middle line left corner, 28, 8 and 32. In the last row, 20, 36 and 12. So this is for getting marriage purpose. So if girls are looking for a husband or boyfriend, then you can make it. And the boys who are looking for girlfriend or wife, they can make it. It is for both reasons. It is just in common to get married. Okay. So Nilu, is it fine? So after creating this, you have to place it in the white color cloth pouch or in the white color envelope or in the just white color file. You can place it. Keep chanting the numbers. That is more helpful for you. Okay.
Fabulous. This is for all you young. Upmaji, is this only for girls to make who are looking for boys, or boys who are also looking for girls can make?
Yes, I said for both. It
Both
is
ways.
just
Sorry, I
common.
missed that.
Yes,
Okay,
it is for both. Okay.
fantastic.
So I had given for who are looking for marriage. Now our participants who are already married, I don't want to. I want to enrich their love also.
Yes.
Okay. So
So, Upmaji, obviously the looking to get married yantra will be destroyed and tanked and then discarded, removed after you find a spouse. This one, what will happen, Upmaji? Because it's not like it can be timeline. You don't want it to stop at all.
no, if you are looking, so somewhere you will get. So after getting or like for 6 months, then you can discard it and again start new
Right.
finding.
It's like the prophet yantra.
Yes,
Yeah. You want it lifelong. Every 6 months, just keep changing it, right?
yes. If you are looking for lifelong, but somewhere if you are looking for getting married, then somewhere after getting married, you can discard it because then you will need this one to increase
Right.
love
Right.
between husband and wife.
Right.
So to first to get married, create that one. Once you get married, then discard it and create this one. Okay.
Perfect.
So this is to increase love in between husband and wife. This will also be like for 3 by 3 square box. Here in we will write number 2. Then here we will write number 9. Here we will write number 4. Then in the middle line left corner, we will write number 7. Here we will write number 5. Then here we will write number 3. In the last row, number 6, number 1 and number 8. So it's very simple. Just writing the 9 numbers and your work is done. Okay. The process will remain same. So shall I repeat the process, Nilu?
One last time, Upanji, because I can see a lot of people have come in much later. They're asking the same questions. You might as well just give that thing very quickly.
Sure. So on the tomorrow, like tomorrow is a Shivratri, and it is a very auspicious day to enrich the love in between husband and wife. So just taking your bath, go in your worship area or where you had kept your altar. When you are going there, take white piece of paper and orange color ink with you. Sorry, here you will take the blue color ink. And then you can also use scale. Light a ghee diya, then use camphor, burn some camphor or scented candles, whatever you feel good. Then uh, take few deep breath, do the chanting of Om for 7 times, 11 times. Connect yourself with the divine or connect yourself with the Lord Shiva and Parvati. Ask them to enrich love in between you and your spouse. Take the paper and pen in your hand with the help of scale. 2 by 2 inch box first you can create, then 1.5 centimeters you can create the lines horizontally and vertically. This way you can create. Then start writing numbers. You can write from left to right, or up to down, or horizontally or vertically. Diagonally is not permitted. So I'm using from left to right. In the first box, we will write number 2. In the middle box, 9. Number 4 in the last one. In the middle row, first box, number 7. Middle box, middle line, 5. And the last one, number 3. In the last row, number 6 we will write. Here we will write number 1. And here we will write number 8. As soon as you complete your yantra, keep near the feet of divine or Lord Shiva at your home worship area. Then uh, do some prayers or keep chanting of Om for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, however you feel, like that way. After completion of that, just do the prayers. I had made this yantra for enriching love. Now pick the yantra, keep in the uh, red color pouch, so it can be made of cloth or jute, but do not use any kind of plastic pouch. Use only naturals, so jute or cloth. Otherwise you can take the paper envelope which is red in color, or any file which is red in color, and place this yantra there. Now daily what you have to do, once you had made it, it is there, but again daily you have to take it out from the pouch or envelope and chant the numbers. So if you had made the from left to right or from upside to down, just remember, and if you forget, then also it's okay. You can chant 294 753 618 or 276 951 438. This way for 6, you can repeat these numbers in the counting of 6, 9 or 11 times. If you can do counting, chanting of these numbers 3 times in a day, that will be good. Otherwise, at least once in a day, do it. You have to create the yantra from rising sun time till 11 a.m. For tomorrow, there is no rule, because tomorrow is the auspicious day of Mahashivratri. So from rising time of sun till midnight 12, you can create this yantra, because tomorrow is the auspicious day. But any yantra which you are creating on just simple days which are not having any festival, there this rule will be applicable. Create the yantra till 11 a.m. or after 5 p.m. till midnight. Okay. And for chanting, you don't have to see any time of the day, from morning till midnight you can do chanting. So I hope this will increase. That is my best wishes for increasing love in between you and your spouse, and faith also.
Fabulous. Thank you so much, Upmaji, for that. And with the fact that tomorrow is an auspicious, extremely auspicious day, so these two can be made tomorrow. Does that mean that any of the yantras that anybody can be made tomorrow, right?
Yes, any
Right.
kind of yantra can be made tomorrow, but
Okay.
because Mahashivratri is meant for love and relationship, for getting
Right.
marriage purpose, so
Right.
especially for that.
For these two. Perfect. Fabulous. Thank you so much, Upaji. And I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you to everybody. I hope we've managed to catch all your questions. Even if not, please don't worry. Please apologies if any questions missed. But Upmaji will be here with you on the Telegram group after a short break, of course, to take care of any other queries that might have been left unanswered. I hope not. I hope we've taken care of everybody. So, Upmaji,
Yes, I'm eager
once
to see
again,
everyone
Hanji.
in the course. I'm eager to see everyone in the course.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Want to say a huge thank you to you, Upmaji, for something beautiful again, something new that we've never done before, and for making it so simple. So thank you so much. And thank you, everybody. And Upmaji, thank you.
Thank you and gratitude to you, Neelu ji, Mystic Lotus team, Amresh ji, Shilpa, Misbah, and everyone, Ruchira also, everyone, and audience. Because if audience will not be here, I will not be here. So a big thank you and gratitude to each and every participant.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take
See you
care.
around soon
See
enough.
you in the workshop. Take care. Yes.